Meteorologist Sam Coplin here in what turned out to be a very active morning today, not just with the heavy rain, but also some severe storms. We had some tornado warnings over parts of the mid-Hudson Valley, and now we have a tornado watch in effect till 3 p.m. over parts of all of Berkshire County and Litchfield County. Tornadoes are possible with this leg of moisture that is pushing on through. There can be some brief spin-ups. Although the watch is in effect until 3 p.m. for all of New England, I think Berkshire and Litchfield County, your best risk for seeing any sort of tornadic development would be between 9 a.m. and 10:30, and then the best chance moves off further towards the north and east. So all the while, we're dry over the capital region for the next several hours, but then showers and storms do look to break out after noon, 1 o'clock, and these across the entire area can be locally strong to severe. They will continue off and on throughout the afternoon into the early evening hours, and then we do look to dry out after 10, 11 o'clock tonight and give way for a drier day tomorrow, but there can also be some haze mixing on in with some wildfire smoke blowing on in, which I'll detail momentarily. First of all, the severe weather threat today. That tornado threat is very low, but it's a little bit higher for places east of the Hudson Valley. Berkshire and Litchfield County, your best chance is basically now through 10:30, 11 in the morning. Tornado risk elsewhere is extremely low this afternoon, but it's non-zero, so just keep that in mind. Hail risk is low. Damaging winds is a little bit higher, but the main threat throughout this afternoon will be the potential for some flash flooding due to the heavy rain, which could just overwhelm these rivers, streams, and creeks, any sort of poor drainage areas, because of how much water we've seen over the past week or so. Some spots have gotten over the past week over 6, 7 inches of rain. Some parts of Vermont have gotten over 10 inches of rain over the past week. So because of that, once again, we have a flood watch over the entire region. Today we'll be getting up to 80 degrees. We get a reprieve across most of the capital region now, and then the storms break out after noon, 1 o'clock. Some of those can be locally strong to severe. Overnight tonight, 65 to 70 degrees, a shower or storm early. Turning partly clear late. By the way, those showers and storms early, once again, can be strong to severe, but after 10 o'clock, we should clear out. For the day tomorrow, 85 to 90 degrees. It's mostly sunny and hot, and I mentioned the air quality can be lower. What's happening right now is some wildfire smoke is funneling down from western Canada, moving in over parts of the Great Plains into parts of the Midwest. This looks like it will blow towards the northeast, so we will have to watch during the start of the week for some diminished air quality. It certainly doesn't look as bad as it has been say 2-3 weeks ago, and then at the start of June, it's not going to be as thick as it was when we had some of our worst air quality outbreaks, but it can certainly be diminished. So we'll keep you posted here. We'll also keep you updated this afternoon with any of those showers and storms, which can be locally severe. We turn unsettled again on Tuesday. Wednesday, probably the pick of the week with lowering humidity, a mix of sun and clouds, but then late Thursday and especially Friday and Saturday, the showers and storms look to return once again. Thanks for tuning in.